Have you ever caught yourself yawning just because someone nearby did? That's not a coincidence. It's a fascinating social phenomenon rooted in the brain's wiring. When we see or even hear someone yawn, certain mirror neurons activate, prompting us to mimic the action. This response is stronger among close friends and family, hinting at a link to empathy and social bonding. Scientists believe contagious yawning evolved to help groups synchronize alertness and rest patterns, subtly uniting us. So next time you yawn with others, know it's your brain's way of connecting.